So hey guys, I wanted to share something with you on this car that I think is pretty neat as far as rear USB. So your rear passengers could have a place to plug the USB in. That actually works great with this car. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you that. So on the Accord, you could buy an accessory USB to install in the rear, but I figured out this works perfect. As you know, this car has quite a bit of USBs on it, or potential of USBs. You can put some adapters and stuff in it. But what I found works perfect with this, like you can get something like this even. It gives you two more. Plus there's some already in the center console. So you could really have a ton of USBs in this car. So I had this for my Accord, just to give you extra spots. But what's nice about this car that I wasn't aware of, because my son always wants to use his iPad in the back. So what I do now, there's actually a gap under this armrest that you just feed the wire to the back. And there you go. Moves freely in there. There's no reason to have USBs in the back. All you need to do, like this is a 4-foot cable. Plenty long enough. It can go to any passenger in the back. This one is plenty long enough, 4 feet. Even the standard 3-foot one is enough, but it's just enough. So this one gives them the flexibility or it won't kink the cord and all that. But I mean, look how far that is. And this is the 4 foot. So now I got that adapter that has 2 extra spots. I can get 2 of these cords. 2 people in the back can be charging their devices. It's perfect. You don't have to install anything. There's no reason to install it to get a place to plug USBs a foot further back. I don't think they offer it for this car anyway, but I can see why. And there's one in here even. Now I put another adapter. Now I have 2, a USB and the USB-C. So I thought that was interesting because I first saw they didn't have the accessory for the USBs and I was kind of bummed. But then I realized there is a gap under between the console and the lid. So it's not kinking the cord at all and it's a straight shot back. So if you guys have people in the back, you want to be able to charge their devices for them, definitely get an adapter so you don't use any of the spaces. Get a longer cable and you're all set. So I thought that was pretty neat. I wanted to share that with you guys. It's really helpful, I think. It'll keep everybody happy in the car. And like I said, by getting those little adapters, you get a lot more spaces. So, I mean, this car, you could have, I think, 7 or 8 USB slots. So enough for the average person. So, hope that helps you guys out. Just want to share that with you guys. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I always appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.